BEFA is a powerful new leadership forum focused on driving excellence in the built environment. We believe that to do that, you have to drive excellence in the built environment workforce, and particularly in the world of professional and technical services. So we're going to be really focused on driving capability, capacity and competency in that workforce. We believe to do that, you need to focus on the interaction between two particular areas. Firstly, education and future skills, and secondly, the world of professional practice and professionalism. And in doing that, we think we can drive towards much better outcomes in the built environment. So there are two things that I believe will set BEFA apart. Firstly, we are very much an industry and demand-led platform. We're going to be focused on coming up with practical solutions to thorny issues, and that has to be influenced by what we're seeing in professional practice here and now. The second point is that BEFA as a built environment platform is very much about that broader built environment spectrum. We don't lean towards construction or engineering. We don't lean towards real estate or investment. We actually span all of that. And it's the integration of all of those various disciplines that is going to be so powerful in what we do at BEFA.